Here, this is pretty much the home screen of the application. Very easy application to use, and as you can see here, very easy. So yeah, once you do open the application, we'll ask you access to your storage. Once you have done that, you're pretty much good to go. So as you can see here, this is pretty much all of the options that you get for this player or the player application. Here we can play videos, you can go in your documents and pretty much say go in your download folder, pretty much anywhere, and you'll be able to find your videos or your music. So you do have a section for videos where you can find all of your videos, images, and files, and as well you can go in the music section to pretty much find all your music, as you can see here. And as well, yeah, the folder option, yeah, where you can pretty much see where these music that you're seeing in the song section, which folder these are in, and as well you can get the album version and as well the artist option as well. So you do have the playlist section where you can go ahead and create your own playlist. Let's say your favorite songs and add them in your favorite song section here, and pretty much put that favorite or that playlist on repeat. So very good application, nothing much, very easy to use, very straightforward. And you can as well go at the top here to pretty much go ahead and search for, let's say, a video or a music that may be on your device and you're not seeing it here. But more than likely, once you have allowed storage or storage access to this application here, we'll pretty much find everything for you in a snap. So very easy to use, not a lot of ads as well. As you can see here, just a few ads you may see down here. So you can tap on the three dots over here to remove the ads if you do want to remove the ads. And as well, you do have the option to adjust the widgets, meaning these here, the layout, pretty much for that there. As well, you can get other themes which you can use with this application. So you do have the settings option where pretty much, as I said before, you do have the ability to adjust your video. Let's say you want to play a video, you have settings as it relates to your videos, your aspect ratio, and so forth. So these are settings you can pretty much go ahead and read and pretty much look at what you want to enable. And as well for the music section, same thing applies. And let's say you just download a music. This is a common problem that I found, where you just download the music and when you open this player application here, you can't find the music. So all you have to do is go in the settings option, go in the audio option, and then tap on scan music, and it will pretty much scan for all of the music on your device and you'll be able to find it. Once you have downloaded, let's say a moment ago, you can pretty much do that if you're not seeing the music on the application. So that's pretty much it. If I missed anything in this video, please comment below. See you in the next one.